So guys, for the first method, you want to unplug your headphones and then plug them back in again. See if that works. For the second method, you want to unplug your headphones and then plug them into a different port on your computer. See if that works. For the third method, you want to try your headphones on a different device such as your phone, just to see what the problem is, either your headset or your computer. For the next method, you want to make sure that your headphones have actually been selected as a device that you want to use. To check, in the bottom right of your taskbar, you want to click on the speaker icon and then click on Select a Sound Output. Make sure that your output device is your headphones. Now, you want to go back, make sure that your sound has not been muted, and you want to turn this all the way up. See if that works. There may also be a volume button or volume wheel on your headphones itself, which you can turn up. For the next method, you want to go to Search and type in Device Manager. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to expand Sound, Video and Game Controllers. It should be saying for you either High Definition Audio Device or it might be saying Realtek R Audio. No matter which one you have, you want to right click on it and then click on Update Driver and then click on Search Automatically for drivers. Make sure that you have the best drivers for your device installed. You can also expand audio inputs and outputs, and if you see your headphones here, you want to update the drivers for that as well. To do that, you want to right click on it, Update Driver, and then Search Automatically for drivers. Make sure that you have the best drivers for your device installed. Your headset may also come with a software like my one does. If it does, you want to install the software and then go to your headset and then go to Settings. Make sure that your firmware is fully up to date on your device software. For the last method, just do a simple restart of your computer. Come back into Windows and then see if it's working again. If not, then your headphones are probably broken.